风水
风水
Feng Shui is a mystical knowledge in China. People believe that the basic elements of things on the earth originated from air, water, and land. The improvement of Feng Shui will improve the relationship between humans and nature. Feng Shui is widely used in architecture and interior design. Chinese believe that the best houses should be integrated into nature. Water brings vitality, and fish brings good luck. These elements determine the quality of Feng Shui. Feng Shui involves medicine, architecture, and philosophy. Chinese put emphasis on Feng Shui and the harmonious relationship between humans and nature. This is Feng Shui, complicated and mysterious.
风水
风水